Video?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you up to right now?
No bueno.
So what are you working on right now?
I'm just soldering up some battery cables.
We're doing vision testing right now, and we're using the tape on the recycling bin to try to target it using the webcam.
We're working on prototyping the ball intake and feeding into the hopper.
Alright, so mechanical is trying to figure out a drivetrain right now. We're looking for ratios to see how much power output we want and how much speed we want on the button. We're trying to see if controls can show us how fast this thing moves. Now we have calculated that if we do what we want, we can 26 feet per second. And we don't know how fast this thing's going to go.
Alright, this is our prototype for the intake. We're using, what's this, like surgical tubing on a roller mechanism because it creates good compression with the ball and the ground. And it doesn't compress the ball, but it compresses the tubing, so we don't damage the balls as we intake them. And it's super light. We tried using wheels, but it's very heavy, so it saves on weight on the robot. So what happens is this will start spinning, and it'll kick the ball up into the hopper, where we have a hopper designed as like slanted towards the middle, so we hopefully don't have clogs with the balls. And we're having an agitator that we're going to prototype. And then we just have like a hole here that will be eventually like some sort of controlled mechanism that will allow it to shoot. So this will feed directly to the shooter. So you want to fire it up and we can show them. Alright, so it works just by sucking the balls. And then also like the balls come rolling. And if you do it again. It also works if it comes in like from the sides and stuff at different angles. It doesn't have to go directly, so if it goes outside, it goes in at once.
So why did you guys choose Magnum over the other drivetrains?
Well, lateral movement is very important this year with fine movements rather than, if we had a tank drive, we'd have to pull back, turn, move back in, pull back, turn, move.
Magnum drivetrain's very good. It's got the speed that we need, maneuverability. The only problem is like it can break easily, but as long as we go easy with it, it should be fine.
It's perfectly suited for the game this year, and they weighed out all the pros really well.
I think it's going to work out really well because it'll allow us to adjust our movements really easily, and it'll go a good speed.
What do you think about the strategy this year?
Our strategy is good of focusing on the gears and also shooting balls while we can.
The most important thing in this game to be successful is just timing, because there's going to be a lot of balls out on that floor and there's going to be a lot of gears need to play, so I think we just have to be fast and do it well.
What have you been working on today?
We're working on a ball shooter, gotta get the hood so we can shoot at different angles.
Solid.
Pretty sick, pretty sick.
We are currently making the system for grabbing the gear from the loading station, transporting it, and then dropping it onto the peg.
What's the biggest challenge you've had?
Oh, well, we're trying to figure out a way to have the shooter go to different angles, so we figured out a way to do a sprocket and belt system.
The biggest challenge right now is we don't know.
Get the gear into the peg.
The biggest challenge so far is we don't have a full chassis right now, so we don't know where we can mount it exactly.
Do you have any goals?
We're going to Worlds, baby.
I need to sand down a piece of copper.
So what are you most looking forward to besides Worlds?
Winning Worlds.
Success.
Sanding down that piece of copper.
I don't know. I'm just feeling good about this season. To be honest, right now, it's feeling good. Just the work that's been getting done already, it's going good. I like it.
You're stuck on an island, and you can only pick one person on the team to take with you. Who do you pick?
Just have it from the team?
Yeah, one person on the team.
No. Honestly, low-key probably eat me. Oh, jeez, that's a tough one. I'll take Winkler because he's resourceful. He's good with like the woodworking type of stuff. So hold on, it's like 2 pieces of bread and mashed potatoes.
Remember, Patrick.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we going through the jungle here. Got some wild robots. These are for the jaguars that are in the jungle. Got Jason wandering through, scavenging for some bolts or something. Who knows, right? How do you like the jungle?